In today's fast-paced world, robotics and automation are at the forefront of technological advancement, reshaping industries in ways we never thought possible. As we delve into this fascinating topic, it's essential to recognize how the integration of artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI-driven robots are enhancing efficiency, reducing human error, and streamlining processes. Imagine a factory where machines work alongside humans, taking on repetitive tasks, allowing workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This synergy not only boosts productivity but also fosters innovation. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and we appreciate the support. The journey of robotics and automation technologies is a fascinating tale of innovation and progress that spans several centuries. It all began in ancient times with simple mechanical devices designed to perform specific tasks. One of the earliest milestones was in the 3rd century BC when the Greek engineer Hero of Alexandria created steam-powered devices that could open doors and even serve drinks. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we see the introduction of the first industrial robot, Unimate, in the 1960s. This groundbreaking invention revolutionized manufacturing by automating repetitive tasks, setting the stage for the automation we see today. As technology advanced, so did the capabilities of robots. The development of microprocessors in the 1970s and 1980s allowed for more sophisticated control systems, enabling robots to perform complex tasks with greater precision. The introduction of sensors and feedback mechanisms further enhanced their functionality, making them more adaptable to various environments. Today, artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in advancing robotic capabilities. With AI, robots can learn from their experiences, recognize patterns, and make decisions in real time. This integration has led to the emergence of autonomous robots capable of navigating unpredictable environments, such as self-driving cars and drones. Understanding the historical development of robotics and automation helps us appreciate the incredible advancements we enjoy today. As we look to the future, the potential for further innovation is limitless, driven by the ongoing evolution of AI and robotics. Artificial intelligence is transforming the manufacturing landscape, ushering in a new era of automation that enhances productivity and efficiency. AI-driven robots are now commonplace in factories, performing tasks that were once labor-intensive and time-consuming. For instance, companies like Fanuc and KUKA have developed collaborative robots, or cobots, that work alongside human workers to streamline assembly lines. These robots can handle repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, and packaging, allowing human employees to focus on more complex problem-solving activities. The benefits of integrating AI into manufacturing processes are substantial. By automating routine tasks, companies can significantly increase their operational efficiency, leading to faster production times and higher output. Additionally, AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, enabling predictive maintenance that reduces downtime and minimizes costly repairs. This not only lowers operational costs but also enhances product quality, as AI can detect defects earlier in the production process. Real-world case studies illustrate the successful integration of AI in manufacturing. For example, Siemens implemented AI-driven predictive analytics in their Amberg electronics plant, resulting in a 99.99885% quality rate. Similarly, Tesla's Gigafactory utilizes AI to optimize battery production, significantly reducing costs and increasing output. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in manufacturing, it's clear that this technology is not just a trend but a fundamental shift that is reshaping the industry for the better. The integration of robotics and artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry is revolutionizing patient care and operational efficiency. One of the most notable advancements is robotic surgery, where precision instruments are controlled by surgeons through robotic systems. These minimally invasive procedures, such as those performed with the Da Vinci surgical system, allow for greater accuracy, reduced recovery times, and less post-operative pain for patients. Surgeons can perform complex operations with enhanced dexterity, leading to improved outcomes. In addition to robotic surgeries, AI diagnostics are transforming how healthcare professionals identify and treat conditions. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with remarkable accuracy, often detecting anomalies that may be missed by the human eye. For instance, Google's DeepMind has developed AI that can diagnose eye diseases with a level of precision comparable to that of expert ophthalmologists. This capability not only speeds up the diagnostic process but also ensures that patients receive timely and appropriate care. Automation in healthcare also enhances operational efficiency. By streamlining administrative tasks, such as scheduling and patient record management, healthcare providers can focus more on patient interactions. Hospitals like the Cleveland Clinic have successfully implemented robotic systems for medication dispensing and inventory management, reducing errors and freeing up staff to provide better patient care. As we continue to embrace healthcare automation, the potential for improved patient outcomes and operational effectiveness is immense, paving the way for a more efficient and responsive healthcare system. The role of robotics and artificial intelligence in modern agriculture is becoming increasingly vital as the industry seeks to meet the demands of a growing global population. Drones and automated machinery are at the forefront of this transformation, enhancing farming practices in unprecedented ways. Drones equipped with advanced sensors can monitor crop health, assess soil conditions, and even assist in planting seeds. This aerial perspective allows farmers to gather real-time data, enabling them to make informed decisions that optimize yields. One of the most significant benefits of integrating robotics into agriculture is the concept of precision agriculture. By utilizing AI-driven technologies, farmers can apply water, fertilizers, and pesticides more efficiently, targeting specific areas that require attention rather than treating entire fields uniformly. This not only reduces waste and lowers costs but also promotes sustainability by minimizing the environmental impact of farming practices. Innovative technologies are continually emerging to transform food production. For example, autonomous tractors equipped with GPS and AI can operate without human intervention, performing tasks such as tilling, planting, and harvesting with remarkable accuracy. Additionally, vertical farming systems that use robotics for planting and harvesting are gaining traction, allowing for year-round crop production in urban settings. As we analyze the role of robotics and AI in agriculture, it becomes clear that these technologies are not just enhancing productivity but also paving the way for a more sustainable and efficient food production system. The future of farming is bright, driven by innovation and a commitment to meeting the challenges of tomorrow. As we embrace the advancements in robotics and automation, it is crucial to address the challenges and ethical implications that accompany these technologies. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. As machines and AI systems become capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, many workers face the risk of losing their jobs. Industries such as manufacturing, retail, and even healthcare are experiencing shifts that could lead to significant unemployment. It's essential for society to consider how to support affected workers through retraining programs and new job creation in emerging fields. In addition to job displacement, ethical dilemmas arise in AI decision-making processes. For instance, when autonomous vehicles must make split-second decisions in emergency situations, how should they prioritize the safety of passengers versus pedestrians? These moral questions challenge our understanding of accountability and responsibility in technology. Furthermore, biases in AI algorithms can perpetuate existing inequalities, leading to unfair treatment in areas like hiring, law enforcement, and lending. As we navigate these complexities, it's vital for viewers to think critically about the impact of technology on our lives. Engaging in discussions about the ethical use of robotics and automation can help shape policies that ensure these innovations benefit society as a whole. By fostering a dialogue around these challenges, we can work towards a future where technology enhances human potential while addressing the ethical concerns that arise along the way. As we look ahead, the future of robotics and automation is poised for remarkable advancements that will reshape various industries. Emerging technologies such as soft robotics, which utilize flexible materials, are set to revolutionize fields like healthcare and agriculture. These adaptable robots can safely interact with humans and delicate crops, opening up new possibilities for patient care and sustainable farming practices. Additionally, advancements in machine learning and computer vision will enhance robots' ability to understand and navigate complex environments, making them more effective in tasks ranging from warehouse logistics to autonomous driving. Continuous innovation is crucial for industries to remain competitive in this rapidly evolving landscape. Companies that embrace new technologies will not only improve efficiency but also create new business models and opportunities. For instance, the integration of AI with the Internet of Things, IoT, will enable smarter manufacturing processes, where machines communicate and optimize operations in real time. This interconnectedness will lead to significant cost savings and improved product quality. As these trends unfold, it is essential for viewers to stay informed about future developments in robotics and automation. Understanding these advancements will empower individuals and businesses to adapt and thrive in an increasingly automated world. By keeping an eye on emerging technologies and their potential applications, we can better prepare for the changes ahead and harness the benefits that robotics and AI integration will bring to our lives and industries. In this video, we explored the transformative impact of artificial intelligence and robotics across various industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to agriculture and beyond. We discussed how AI-driven technologies are enhancing efficiency, improving patient care, and revolutionizing food production. The integration of robotics is not just about automation, it's about creating smarter systems that can adapt and respond to the complexities of modern challenges. As we navigate this technological landscape, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of adapting to these changes. Industries are evolving rapidly, and staying informed about advancements in AI and robotics will empower individuals and businesses to thrive in this new era. Embracing continuous learning and innovation will be key to harnessing the full potential of these technologies. We hope you found this discussion insightful and engaging. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated on future trends and developments in robotics and automation, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and colleagues who might also benefit from this information. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community of informed individuals ready to embrace the future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more exciting topics with you soon.